This is the Kuroshibikamasu, black gem pilus. It is a medium-sized deep-sea fish that can grow up to about 80 centimeters in length. It sometimes rises to depths as shallow as 30 meters in pursuit of prey like squid or other fish. Because it cuts fishermen's ropes with its sharp fangs, it is also called nawakiri, which means rope cutter. Adults have a dark, almost black body color, but juveniles can appear to have a metallic sheen depending on how the light hits them, and are quite beautiful. The Kuroshibikamasu is known for its rich fat content and excellent flavor, but its skeletal structure is very different from typical fish. Large, hard bones run densely from the skin toward the flesh. Its dorsal fin bones are also extremely sharp, requiring extra care when handling. Because of this, its market value tends to be low except in specific regions, though in some areas it is considered a high-grade fish. That alone speaks to how delicious it is. Today I was able to obtain a juvenile Kuroshibikamasu, so I asked Takahashi to prepare it. According to Takahashi's research, by performing a process called honegiri, which refers to making fine cuts from the skin toward the backbone, it becomes possible to eat it as sashimi or grilled fish. This process appears to be quite labor-intensive. Can you see how the peritoneum is jet black? This is because some deep-sea creatures emit light, and if the peritoneum were its usual color, the light from digested prey would leak out, increasing the risk of being attacked by larger predators. The black color helps prevent that. The black film can be easily removed by rubbing it with your fingers. According to Takahashi, it was actually easier to prepare than expected. One fillet is done. Now for the honegiri. Is this how it's supposed to be done? Time to grill. As for the salt-grilled half, it seems the honegiri, bone cutting, went reasonably well, though there were still 2 or 3 bones that weren't fully cut. The prep work wasn't as troublesome as people say, and if this fish were ever sold at a local supermarket, which would never happen in Tokyo, I'd definitely buy it without hesitation. Takahashi was originally planning to grill it with salt, but he decided to turn half of it into namero, a traditional Japanese fisherman's dish. The fillet is chopped together with finely sliced green onion and ginger, then pounded with a knife until it becomes paste-like. A suitable amount of miso is added and then it's pounded again. Done. On the other hand, the namero was eaten by pouring Japanese tea over rice, then placing the namero on top. This dish is called ochazuke. It was intensely rich. Namero is usually made with horse mackerel, but I prefer Kuroshibikamasu. Thanks to the heavy pounding, there wasn't even a trace of bones left. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I'll continue introducing lesser-known dishes from Japan, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Japan B is a channel that randomly shares lesser-known information about Japan.
Although not to the extent of other East Asian countries, it is not widely known that in certain regions of Japan, there exists a food culture that is unfamiliar to those from other parts of the world. Our staff regularly try such dishes, rare for us foreigners to Japan, in order to learn more deeply about Japanese culture through its cuisine. If you're interested in Japanese food culture, please consider subscribing.